Hey, welcome to Cracks Country Cooking. I'm Ben, and today I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful certified Angus beef tomahawk steaks with a creamy mushroom sauce. Well, I was in the mood for some steaks. I wanted something a little different. I saw these tomahawks, they were on sale. I grabbed those. I salted them, put them in the fridge overnight, let them dry brine. So we're going to make a creamy mushroom sauce for them. It's going to have heavy cream, butter, onion, mushrooms, wine. Excellent. Hit them up with some avocado oil, then we'll season them with our KCC Old Canadian Steak Rub on all sides. We'll use our ThermoPro Twin Temp Spike to monitor the temps. We'll pull them up when they hit 125 degrees and let them rest for 10 minutes before we slice into them. Then we'll throw it out in the Weber, set it up 2-zone indirect, sear them both sides, and then we'll throw them off to the other side. So our steaks hit 125. We're going to pull this off. Looks beautiful. In a wide deep pan, put some butter to melt. Once the butter is melted, add mushrooms. I microwave them for 3 minutes and strain them, get most of the liquid out. After a few minutes, add a small red onion. Let that go till the onion is translucent, softened. We can add our garlic. After about a minute, you can give it a stir. Now we'll put in a 1/4 cup of sherry wine. Put that cooked alcohol out. Now we can add some Dijon, some Worcestershire. Put that in a mix. Now we can add some beef concentrate. Basically just reduced beef broth. Mix that in. Add some chicken stock. If you don't use homemade, I recommend using low sodium or no salt added. Bring this back to a simmer. Once it's simmering, add some heavy cream. I heat it up in the microwave. That way it's not shockingly cold. Now let this simmer away until it thickens. Our sauce has reduced down, thickened. Now we can slice our steaks and give it a try. Our steaks are done. They look beautiful. We'll set this one off to the side. Trim the bone off of this one. Now we'll slice. Then we'll take our nice mushroom sauce. Sprinkle some green on there. Now we can try some. Nice medium rare steak, mushroom, gravy. That is really good. Wow. All right, that's our video. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Watch our past videos. We've got more videos coming out every week. You can follow us on TikTok, Instagram, Threads, of course YouTube. Go to crackscountrycooking.com. We got seasonings, recipes, all sorts of stuff on there. All right, see ya. Dinner time.